New tonight, as you make your way outside this summer, keep in mind that ticks are excited about the warm weather too. The black-legged tick, native to the Mid-Ohio Valley, is one of a few varieties that can be found here that spread diseases like Lyme disease. Lyme disease is a bacterial infection that can cause a bullseye-shaped rash and flu-like symptoms. If left untreated, the infection can spread to your joints and nervous system. According to environmental health specialist in training for the Washington County Health Department, Farnsworth, it's important to check yourself for ticks after going hiking, walking your furry friends, or even just mowing the lawn.
You want to take care before you go out to enjoy whatever outdoor activity you may be going on, choosing appropriate clothing, long pants, long sleeves for your shirts. Also, there's EPA approved repellents, and definitely check on your labels when you're buying repellents that can help. And you want to spray yourself down your clothing, your boots, things like that to help prevent getting ticks on you. You'll definitely want to check, they can be anywhere on your body, but they definitely like kind of the cracks and crevices of the body.
Farnsworth said if you do notice a tick on yourself or a pet, there is a specific way to extract it so that the infection does not remain after the bug is gone. You can head over to WTAP.com for more information.